Do you still use multiple variables to store multiple values? What if I told you Python has a smarter way, one that can store hundreds of values in a single variable? Welcome to the world of lists and tuples, the real superheroes of Python and data handling. Hey everyone, this is CodeNFacts where coding meets clarity. Today we are diving deep into two of the most important data structures in Python, that is lists and tuples. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how they work, but also when to use which with examples, mini challenges and pro tips. So stay till the end because I have got a quick challenge for you that most beginners fail. Let's start with lists, one of the most used and flexible data types in Python. A list is basically a collection that allows you to store multiple items in a single variable. They are written using square brackets. Let's see an example. Here fruits is a list and they store apple, banana and mango separated by comma with this square bracket. So when we print fruits, all these elements inside the square brackets will be printed. So how can we access these elements inside that are present in the list? And the answer will, for accessing these elements that are present in this list, we have to use the index number respectively. Here apple have index number 0, banana have index number 1 and mango have index number 2. So when we want to print apple, then we have to use print fruits index number 0, that will print inside the square bracket. Similarly, when we print -1, that means the last index number, that is mango, that will be printed. And the another operation is how can we add items on this list. For adding items in a list we use these two functions, that is append and the another one is insert. The append function is used to add at the end and the insert function is used at a specifically index. Here you can see I have used insert index number 1, that means these grapes will be placed at the index number 1. So let's see about how can we remove an items from the list. For removing an items from the list we use remove function that will remove the elements, specific elements from the list. And the another operation is updating items. For update the new items in the list we use their respectively index number. For fruits 0, index number 0, that will be pineapple. So this will rename the first index number, that is pineapple. And the another operation that can be, that is slicing and checking, so that can we perform. So lists are ordered, mutable and dynamic, means you can modify them anytime. Okay, now let's talk about tuples. They look like lists but have one big difference. A tuple is immutable, that means you cannot modify it after creation, and this is written using parentheses. Okay, let's see an example. Here color is a tuple that is print in red, green and blue separated by comma and placed inside the parentheses. When we print colors, all these three colors will be printed. How can we access items? Similarly as list, we can access items from the tuples by using their respectively index number. Let's see why we use tuples. Because they are faster than lists, memory efficient, and used when data should not change. Here is a quick difference between tuples and list. You can see this. Here is your question. Create a list of marks for 5 students and find the average. Then create a tuple to store your top 3 favorite programming languages and print the second one. Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's it for today. We have just learned two of the most important data types in Python, that will list and tuples, and trust me, you will use them in every real project. If this video helped you, hit that like button, comment Python rocks, and don't forget to subscribe to CodeNFacts for daily Python clarity and coding shortcuts. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.